Richards again, looking at the, say, 64 Falcon Future with the top down. He's got it. Yeah.
I don't think you got any of my motor done, did you?
No,
Or almost done.
I had it running, but
I did have it running.
what did seats look good? And here's the motor he put in. So what did you put in it?
It's a 347 stroker. Eventually gonna have a supercharger hooked up to it. Just gotta do the plumbing. I mean, it's all ready. Just basically run the cold air intake and put a different carburetor on it. I mean, I already got it, but I need a blow through carburetor, and I already have it. Just when I hook that up, it's a different carburetor goes on it. And then just hook up a few other things. Redo my fuel line. It's not going to run here. It's going to run straight across. This is just temporary. I know people's probably thinking, boy, that's right next to your heat of the hose, which I know it's not going to stay there. It's going to come straight across. And then I'm going to eventually get my hood painted flat black with the
at the top.
Yeah, the hood.
Oh, nice.
Flat black with a satin clear on it.
Yeah, I was wondering why it was white. You just hadn't painted it.
No, I just haven't painted it yet.
Oh, okay. Well, let's do another one then.
Yeah. Just I haven't got that far yet. Too much other stuff coming up.
Sounds good. Got it in the other video running. So let me get the front.
Started again.
'64 Falcon Futura.
Start her up.
Sure. This thing's got good microphones on. It's got 3 different microphones.
Back here and get the exhaust out.
Yeah, it sounds good.
Get my gauges hooked up. When I get my supercharger hooked up, they're just got them mounted, but still ain't got them hooked up yet.
Yeah.
Right, runs nice and smooth.
How many hours do you think you put in?
Hours? I couldn't tell you. A lot.
Wow, yeah.
I don't know. A lot. Eventually I'll get me a better
Right.
hood prop. Just a stick now. Yeah. Just still trying to work the bugs out of it. I think it's pretty good now. I haven't been having much problem with it lately.
Oh, it sounds good.
There's always little bugs you gotta work out of.
Nice.
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll do another one once you get it painted and get the...
Yeah, get my stuff hooked up.
All right, sounds good. I'll